Hello again, this is Fred from quickhacks.com, and in today's video tutorial, I will be talking about how to install and configure WordPress on Amazon Web Services. Please note that this tutorial requires you to have an account on Amazon Web Services. If you do not have an account already, I suggest you watch my previous video on how to create an account on Amazon Web Services. Again, please be sure to like and share this video, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell to get notified on new videos. Now let us install WordPress by clicking on Services and then EC2 under Services, and we wait as it loads. Now we want to scroll down until we see Launch Instance. Okay, now we click on Launch Instance. Now let us click on AWS Marketplace from the left menu. In the search bar, we input WordPress and hit the Enter key. Now this tutorial is for WordPress on the Bitnami version of WordPress, So click the select button next to that. Scroll down and then we click on Continue. Now the instance type, we might want to select the free tier. And next we click the Configure Instance Detail button. Under Auto Assign Public IP, choose Enable and then click the Review and Launch button. Click on the Launch button. Now let us create a key pair by selecting Create New Key Pair from the list. Give your key pair a name and then click the Download Key Pair button. Now click the Launch button to proceed. And that is it. You have just installed WordPress on Amazon Web Services. Before we can log into our WordPress, we need to obtain the login credentials. So now, let's go ahead and click on Services again. And then again EC2 under Compute. We click Instances from the left menu. As you can see, our instance is already launched and it is running. So next, let us select the box next to the instance so we can work on that. Click on Actions and then click Get System Log under Monitor and Troubleshoots. That is it. Scroll to find your WordPress credentials from here. And I advise you take note of that. You can copy it and paste it in Notepad, just as I did in this video. So just copy and then paste. Yes, we copy. Open Notepad and then paste it in Notepad. You can do same for the username, or you can just keep the username in mind. The default application username is just user. You can either just copy and paste it like I've just done, or you can just keep the name. Now let us locate our instance IP address by repeating the process, going back to instance, click Services, EC2. And then again on the left hand side, we just click on instances. Now scroll sideways and then double click on your public IP for address to highlight. Let's copy using Ctrl+C. After that, open a new tab, paste your IP address, and now add /WP admin. Note this IP address serves as your temporary web address. And that is it. It opens your WordPress admin login page. Now go to Notepad, copy your username and password, and yes, copy your password. Take note of the username, which by default is user. You don't really have to come and copy the user because it is something you can easily take note of. So you just copy your password. Now go to the login page, enter your username, which is user, paste the password, and click the login button. And that is it. You have successfully logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. Go ahead and install your themes and plugins, and that is it. In my next video tutorial, I'll be talking about how to configure SSH for your AWS instance. Please remember to like and share this video, and also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified on new videos. See ya!